So here guys, on my very first start of the GoPro was frozen. It is because you need to upgrade the device. When you turn on, you have to connect with the app and upgrade the device. So it just froze on the first start, but later on when it restart, it works perfectly fine. So I'm gonna make a comparison video between GoPro Hero 8 and GoPro Hero 9 in the future video. So stay tuned for that, and do like and subscribe my channel for future video. So stay tuned for the upcoming video of GoPro Hero 9.